Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. I said Chuck's Daily Hustle, y'all. So if you guys are just now tuning in on this video, man, make sure you go ahead and like this video. Let me go ahead and pause it so we can finish this intro because we don't have that much time, y'all. So anyways, you guys, I need you to smash that thumbs up button right now. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and all that good stuff. That way you can stay up to date with what your boy got going on. Do not forget that I got a whole bunch of links in the description below. If you want to basically follow me on social media platforms, IG, Facebook, Snapchat, or you want to, get into trading, stocks, crypto, whatever, I got links there. We'll both make some money on that. All that good stuff, man. So anyways, also, my bad, I just got a phone call again on my watch, man. They messing me up today, y'all. So right now, you guys, I'm on my way out to Brian's, which is my mechanic if you guys are new to the channel. And I am going to be swapping out my van. So I'm in my 09 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you guys been a part of the channel that allowed 5 million, then you know this is my daily runner now. So this is usually what I keep it moving and grooving in. So I'm getting an oil change on it. We got to keep this joint up to date. And then I'm picking up my Jeep Liberty. So my Jeep Liberty got fixed, supposedly. He said drive it a little bit just to double check. They ended up just switching out an ignition coil. So they switched out the ignition coil, and with that being said, then he said it shifts correctly. So hopefully it's just that, and we're all good. So I don't know until we drive it, right? Also, I know I promised you guys that I was going to be getting y'all some film with me picking up the cars today, but things changed, man. I actually ended up last night, me and my bro Twan, we picked up 4 cars last night, and we did that like in 3 hours. So it was just too dark for me to film, and we were just moving and grooving, and it was no time to film, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. So, but I will be showing you guys those cars, later on this week. If it's not today, pretty sure it'll be today. But I ain't gonna make no promises because, like y'all know, we don't know where we're gonna go until we go. But I will see you guys in a second.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. I'm smashing like you got the smash. Woo! 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 I'm up. We up. I'm
are at Brian's, showing you guys the Jeep Liberty real quick. So yeah, man, as you can see, it's not misfiring anymore, guys. Real quiet. I haven't driven it yet. I'm gonna do a quick little test drive, let you guys know what's up with that. This thing is a 05. I forgot exactly how many miles is on it, but I'm gonna show you guys this car anyway. Again, tires are good. 4-door joint, 4x4. Everything's cool there. Got the tire in the back. I'm not gonna open it up right now, y'all. But yeah, man, this thing is hopefully is solid this time around. Let's see how many miles is on here. I forgot. 167,000 miles on it. I gotta get some gas, man. I'm about to run out of gas. So let me show you guys this car real fast. Brian's driving. He's trying to figure out what's going on with the Mercedes right there. Get out of his way. I ain't trying to hit that old school car. So anyways, man, I wanted to kind of show you guys some more cars real quick. So unfortunately, you guys, if you guys remember this car, I sold that car to a customer and the engine went out, man. She lived in Iowa. She said that the engine locked up on her. Brian did verify that is what happened. So most definitely helping her out with that. And then, yeah, let me show you this Ford Fusion over here. This is Ford Fusion I actually got yesterday. So this is one of the ones that we picked up, dropped it off and everything. This thing only needs an oil change, man. So this is, I think I drove it on a test drive. I can't remember when I went to the auction or whatever. I think I locked the door. Yeah, I did. It's got the leather interior, man. 196. I'm gonna get this on the channel for y'all too, man. Don't even trip. But this is just another one that we ended up getting. So the other 3 actually is out. 2 of them at the storage, and then we got 1 over there at the lot. I think at the lot. I can't remember, y'all, man. We just been keeping it moving and grooving. So anyways, man, let's go drive this joint. Let's go see what she does, and hopefully we'll be straight. All right, y'all, moment of truth. She shifted, y'all. Your boy's happy. Let's see how she drive, man. Can't get too happy until we good. For sure. All right. Okay, she shifted again. Okay. Raise this window up. 60 miles per hour, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. She's driving the way that I remembered the first day that I drove the car. So, man, this is cool. Not misfiring. It's driving good. Just a coil, y'all. Again, we're good, man. So I'm happy about it. I'm ecstatic about it, like I always am when we got good news. And we're gonna move on with the day, man. So it's time for me to get to the next place. I will see you there. All right, y'all. Just got the storage, meeting up with everybody. Show y'all what we got going on. Obviously, I'm in the Jeep Liberty. Just got this Outback, man. I got this yesterday, actually, so I'm picking this joint up. It's a 04 with 204 on it. It is all-wheel drive, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the one that had the 3.0. Maybe not, I can't remember. But anyways, man, here it is, man. The interior's pretty clean, nice and good. And that's that, man. Tires is good. Has that Minnesota rust on it. And then we got Tremaine and Twan over here. Twan got the Tahoe. What year is this Tahoe, bro? 04. It's got like 240 on it. Got a little ding right here. Got the aftermarket exhaust. Got good tires on it. And these stepping bars aren't messed up, so that's dope. Interior is cool. That's my niece. Say what's up, YouTube. Hi. Say what's up, YouTube. Hi. Oh, you're messing up, man. But yeah, man. So as y'all see, man, we bring our kids to work all the time, man. And that's how you're supposed to be. And what year is this 200, bro? 2012. How many miles? 195 on it. Still got the original dirt on it. That's how we like it, you know. Interior needs some cleaning. Looks like these doors is locked, but it's got these aftermarket rims on it, man. This thing gonna sell once he gets that bumper fit. Ooh, tires is cool too. Interior needs a little cleaning though, as y'all can see. But yeah, so he's getting ready to get this headlight replaced and then get this fixed. This might be able to get repaired, or we might need to get the whole thing replaced. So basically, we're about to wash the cars, wash some of these cars, get them posted, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to figure out if I want to get this thing fixed, because it just has a little bit of like a little bit of a right rear axle noise. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to put the money into it or if I want to sell it as is. I know I can get a little bit more money if I put the money into it, but mechanics are like really booked out. Ryan got like 5 motor and transmission jobs out there. It's just a lot going on, y'all. So I'm just trying to figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna keep it moving and grooving like we always are. But let's get over to the next destination, which I don't know where the heck that's gonna be. So you guys, I got the Jeep Liberty washed up, posted and everything. We did wash up this Tahoe that I'm driving in right now. This is my bro's Tahoe, and as you can see, this thing is running pretty dang good, man. So it does have the brake light and the ABS light on. Obviously, if you know something about cars, then they are associated that way. But this thing got a backup camera. It's got that aftermarket CD player, and then it also has, I forgot what else. Oh yeah, the aftermarket exhaust, like I had told y'all before. But yeah, man, I wonder what kind of deck this is. But what kind of deck is that? I don't even know. But either way, let me show y'all this quick. Got a little toggle switch or whatever. He was messing with it earlier. Let me see if I can do it. Oh, there you go, right there. See, clear as day, man. That's about the best rear view camera I've ever seen. On I'm talking about like as far as like a aftermarket or whatever. But anyways, man, we are doing that, and then we're going to basically figure out where we're going from here. I might end up bringing that Outback out to the office, but I don't know, man. We've been kind of in traffic all day, dealing with, well, not traffic, but just that car wash, man. That took up like an hour and a half of our time, so just trying to keep it moving and grooving like always, man. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? So I'm picking up my Dodge Grand Caravan right here. Ooh, bless me. But yeah, so that's done. I had got an oil change. I don't know if I told you that earlier, you guys that earlier, but I wanted to start up this Ford Fusion for you guys. That way you guys can see what the miles are. Oh, I left my back, bruh. I thought, you guys know what? I was so tired last night that I didn't know I left, that I took that out. So I'm gonna have to actually, I gotta double check some things in there real quick. So let me start this up for you guys though. So it's got 192 on it and Pearl right up, man. I got an oil change on that joint too. And yeah, man, it's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean this out. I'm not picking it up today, you guys. It's got the leather interior, sunroof, the engine, the tranny, everything is doing what it's supposed to do. No check engine light. Show you guys. Oh, you guys already saw the tires and all that stuff, so I don't need to show you guys it again. But yeah, man. So that's what we got going on for today, man. And we're gonna end the day just like that. And like always, man, everybody stay blessed and stay positive and stay doing what you gotta do, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. I'm out. Peace.